Okay, question 7, we're asked to find the highest common factor of 72, 90 and 126. Now you could do what we did a bit earlier and just list all of the factors of each of them, but I'm going to show you how you can do this using Venn diagrams. And the first thing you need to do is write each of these as a product of prime factors. So we need to do a factor tree for each. So 72 as a prime factor tree, I can break into 2 times 36, which can break into 2 times 18, which can break into 2 times 9, which can break into 3 times 3. So I can say 72 is equal to 2 cubed times 3 squared. 90 I can break down into 2 times 45. 45 I can break it down into 5 times 9, and 9 can break down into 3 times 3. So I can say 90 is equal to 2 times 3 squared times 5. And the last one we need to do is 126, which can break down into 2 and 63. 63 can break down into 7 times 9, and 9 can break down into 3 times 3. So 126 is equal to 2 times 3 squared times 7. So I'm now going to use these and put that into a Venn diagram. Okay, so if we just copy out what the prime factor of each of those numbers were, so we've got 72 is equal to 2 cubed times 3 squared, 90 is equal to 2 times 3 squared times 5, and 126 is equal to 2 times 3 squared times 7. Now if I draw a Venn diagram, you need to make sure that there's a part where all 3 of these values are overlapping. And in the middle, we can put the values which are common to all. So you can see that in each of these lists, there is a 3 squared, which is 3 and 3. So I'm going to put 2 3s in the middle, and I'm going to cross those off the list. You can also see that there is a 2, which is common in each of these lists. So I'm going to put a 2 in the middle, and that means I can cross this 2 off and cross this 2 off. And here, rather than having 2 to the power of 3, that would then change and become 2 to the power of 2. Now I'm going to say let this then be 72, this one be 90, and this one be 126. And I can now fill in all of the other values there. So 72 has still got 2 squared, which needs to be filled in, which I'll write as 2 different 2s. 90 has still got 5, which needs to be filled in, and 126 has still got 7. Now your highest common factor is all of the values which are common to each of them multiplied together. So your highest common factor is going to be equal to 2 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 18. And that would be your final answer.